I'm going to show you the exact things I'll be doing in my Faceless YouTube that make me stuck one place without growing. Yes, a lot of people have been doing this and they think it's the normal thing. They think it doesn't mean anything. But guys, could you believe that one of the first Faceless YouTube channel I created here, I abandoned it after 3 months. Was no After 2 months I abandoned it. Why? Because it's not generating any views, it's not growing. I'll try everything I could. First, I have tried all my possible best. I create video every two days. Okay, I am always consistent in creating my videos, still yet I'm not growing. Sometimes when I post my video, I will use my second phone to go and watch it from start to finish, just to make sure that the video gets views. I was like, I have to watch it so that the YouTube will know that yes, people are watching it, so that they're going to push it, guys. But that is not the issue. Okay, yes, because the first 3 hours you post your videos matters a lot. So in my little mind, what I always do is this: when I post my video, I will go and use my second phone, watch it. I will watch it countless times. I will watch it, rewatch it again, rewatch it again and again and again. And you know what? After some hours, I will come back and I will still see that I'm the only one that have watched that video. Sometimes I will use my son's phone to go and watch the video. Now, do you know what the problem is? The problem is not my video. Of course, I do great quality videos. I do great long videos. I do great shorts. In fact, it was a kind of frustrating. At the process of all these things going on, I'm still doing that wrong thing that I'm doing, unknown to me. Yes, and this mistake is what many faceless YouTubers have been doing. Yes, I see them doing it. I see them almost every day doing the same mistake. And I don't blame them, because that's what they think is the best for them. Okay, so it just occurred one day. I was just scrolling in the streets of YouTube here, and I saw a video from one coach. I think Coach Shamaka. I saw one of her video that, yeah, if you go to her channel, you know that this person has experienced a lot. That this person has gone a long way in growing her channel, that she's know what she's doing. You understand? So when I watched that video, that's when I figured out what I have been doing since that have been delaying my channel from growing. Guys, I was so tired. I was so fed up. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to start. The only thing in my mind is what? Delete that channel, create another channel, and that's exactly what I did. Okay, now what is that one thing I have been doing that be delaying my growth? When you post your video, guys, allow YouTube to help you find your audience that will watch your video. Yes, the mistake I have been doing, which I have been blaming maybe YouTube algorithm, or I'm blaming my video or the quality that is not doing well. No, guys, Faceless YouTube is AI stuff. Okay, so of course it's going to come out very good, just that the storyline, that is what matter, whether interests people. And my own niche is very interesting, but one thing is what is killing my channel. Anytime I uploaded my video, I will go and copy that video link and go to my WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and post the link, guys. Believe me, this is one of the fastest things that will kill your channel unknown to you. I keep doing this. When you come to WhatsApp, I have plenty of group that I am the admin. I have my own community where I teach people graphic design. I have my business group. I have church members group that I am the admin. When you are admin and people are in that group, anything you say, they're going to believe you. No, not everybody believe you, but as the admin, they have trust in you. You understand? I also have a broadcast list where I created for the purpose of my channel. You know what I do? Every time I uploaded a video, I will go and copy the link, direct link to that video. I will post it on my WhatsApp. I will post it on my Facebook. I will go to my Instagram, do that. Go to my TikTok and do that. Then come to WhatsApp. That place. Now, imagine when I am admin, when you are an admin for more than 5 groups. Guys, I will go there and post, and I will preach, ask them to do what? Go and watch. But guess what? Nobody is watching it. Nobody is watching it, guys. Nobody. I become frustrated. When it comes to the broadcast list, I will preach. If I drop the link there, I'll go and get a short script that will explain the video so that it interests them to click the link and go and watch. Guys, nobody's watching. Even in the group that I think they trust me as an admin, nobody is watching. That made me to believe what I watched in that coach video. Your family and friends will do what? Support you. They will come to that channel, subscribe, and do what? Left. I even if they want to, they will just watch for some seconds and they will left. And you know what? In this chat, in this YouTube, for you to get just one view, so if you have a long video, let's say a video of 10 minutes, for you to get a one view, I think you have to watch about 3 to 5 minutes before it counts as a view. Now imagine when someone who they are doing you a favor, you ask them to watch this video, is interested, you preach, they tap the link, landed on your channel, but what they do is just subscribe and click open the video. Immediately they open the video, they will not even watch up to a minute. A minute is even too much. They will not watch up to a minute. Yeah, they will just vanish. It's so frustrating, guys. Trust me, it's so frustrating. I keep getting subscribers, but not that plenty. But when your subscribers are increasing, I keep getting subscribers, but man, I'm not growing. When it comes to view and watch hour, I become frustrated. Until one day I bump into this video. I told you I watched from one coach Amaka in this YouTube. That's when I said, wow, this is the mistake I've been doing all this while. She said, if you are posting if you uploaded a video and you copy the link to go and post on your channel, to go and post on your WhatsApp and other platform, YouTube will assume you have a place you sought out for views and they will just abandon you. No, I believe that, you know what, if you upload a video here, just in the next, let's say in the next 20 to 30 minutes, go to that video, go to analysis for that video, open it, you will see that YouTube will tell you that your video is still finding its audience. That's those that will like the video. YouTube is still analyzing your video to know who is suitable for. Now, imagine the moment I posted that video, not even up to 10 minutes. In fact, immediately I post my video, I will just go and copy it, copy the link, start sharing it like national cake. I will share it in this WhatsApp group. I will share in this WhatsApp group. And you know what? All these WhatsApp group, they are not saying anything because I am the admin. When someone who is not admin keeps sharing that kind of link, people will be like, oh, the admin will encounter it. They will tell the person stop sharing. But because I am the admin, nobody is talking. You understand? So when I watched that video, that's when I realized what I've been doing that is not good. And I believed it because when you post your video, go back to that video after some minutes, you see that YouTube will tell you that they are still finding your audience, who your video is meant for. You understand? Now, guys, what I did is just I look at that channel. I say I have been doing this mistake for more than 2 months. So it's better I delete it. I deleted that channel and start again. And guys, that was one of the best decision I ever made. Yes. So I'm sharing this video with you guys today because I've seen a lot of small YouTubers, the beginners doing the same mistake, just like me. In my WhatsApp, you see them posting their link to follow. Please go and watch my video. It's interesting. They just briefed you what the video is all about. That's the mistake. And it's frustrating. And the more you're posting people are now watching, the more you will just assume they don't want to watch. Maybe you can look for another audience in another platform so that they will watch. And you keep sharing your link, guys. It's so frustrating. So if you are watching this video and this is what you have been doing, when you upload your video, you can copy the link and send to your audience in another platform. Guys, stop it. Because why? YouTube will assume that you have where you sort out your audience. You have where you sort out your view. They will just abandon that video. Okay. So guys, is it? I said let me share this with my people and new YouTubers who are new into the system so that we will not make that mistake. Okay. If you have watched this video to the end and you have been doing this, kindly stop it, guys. Stop it. Okay. Stop it, and you see how fast you'll be growing. Okay, now if you watch this video to the end, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching me. Okay.